Hey guys, Xbox Live Gaming 109 reporting it here again. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a how to connect your Turtle Beaches to your TV using an HDMI cable also without like ruining your HD TV. So first you're gonna get your Turtle Beaches, of course. Then you're gonna like set up the Turtle Beaches on the back of the TV like they tell you to, just like this. All right. You plug that in there, and you want to connect your AV cable to the back of your Xbox 360 also. But before you do that, you should get something like this. You should crack open your AV cables. Um, my option would be like using a knife to like get through it. You might cut yourself like I did. Yeah, cut myself. So yeah. Also, you plug that in the back of your Xbox. Ah, damn. Alright. You plug it in. When that's done, you plug your HDMI behind your TV, behind your Xbox, my bad. You plug into your TV also. Now we're gonna test them out. Hold this. Let me put my TV back where it was. Oops. Alright. Let's wait for that to load. Where's my remote?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the hack one, the modded one. Back there. Boop. So Steven is gonna be my dummy. He's gonna put the head. He's gonna put the headset on. Put it on. All right. We're gonna play World War. Is that good?
Oh, one more thing. You need to plug in your USB cable. It comes with the USB cable. So yeah.
You're gonna plug that in there, Xbox too.
Yep.
All right. Yeah, he's the
Okay.
master over here, since he owns the headset.
True that. Where is it?
You can plug it in the front if you want to.
Yeah, it's easier. There we go.
All right.
This is oh yeah. This. Where's your controller? Plug it into here. Make sure it's good. Here's the volume and stuff, the master volume, the chat, the bass, the mic on and off and stuff. That's pretty much it.
So he's gonna play World War. Crappy game, but it is used for testing. Okay, it's loading. Might as well try to go on a online game.
Fucking loud, but
You can hear the game on your headsets, right?
huh?
You can hear the game on your headset?
Yeah, I can hear the game on my headset. For example, if I want to play zombies, split screen. Okay.
Go on an online game.
What?
Go on an online game.
Oh. Please don't. That's not even
Put
the
it
fun
into,
stuff.
huh?
There it is. As you can see, it's very loud.
You can hear that, right, guys? Yeah, I think you can hear that. That's how loud it is. Yeah. My TV is like Speak on the microphone.
Hmm?
Speak on the microphone.
Oh. What is up? My dick is big. What is up? What is up?
Yeah. And when I mute my TV,
One more time.
you can hear it on my TV also. Using the headset.
Okay, yeah, you play the same.
So yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and drop a beautiful comment down below and subscribe. Thank you.